Welcome to our channel Medical Bazaar. Today we will show you the demo of combo IFT and ultrasound. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This machine comes with a carry bag, ultrasound handle and wire, IFT wire, pads, set of strap and one gel bottle. Let's start the demo now. Switch on the machine. Set the timer as per your requirement. This machine can be used on 2 patients at once. Firstly, we will show you the demo for ultrasound machine. Switch on the machine. Set the modes, continuous or pulse. You can set the pulse ratio from here and then increase the intensity. This is on pulse mode. This is on continuous mode. Once the treatment is completed, make the intensity knob to 0, clean the handle and switch off the machine. Now we will show you the demo for IFT machine. Switch on the machine. You can set 2 kHz and 4 kHz from here. Now you can set the scan. You can set the modes. Once you have set all the parameters, place the electrodes on the patient body and then press start. Now increase the intensity as per your requirement. You can set the balance from here. Once the treatment is completed, make the intensity knob 0, switch off the machine. You can also buy this machine online at MedicalBazzar.com. For more physiotherapy equipments like this, you can subscribe to our channel. The demo is completed. Thank you.